In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved items on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever tapped save on a marketplace listing and later wondered where to find it, this guide will walk you through the exact screens to open. By the end, you'll know exactly where your saved listings live so you can compare options, track prices, or message sellers when you're ready. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your app is up to date. A stable internet connection also helps the images and details load quickly. Now look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. On many Android phones, it appears at the top right. On some iPhones, it's at the bottom right. Tap those three lines to open Facebook's main menu. If you don't immediately see Marketplace in the first set of options, scroll or tap See More to reveal the full list. From the menu, tap Marketplace. In some layouts, you'll also see a small storefront icon on the home screen's top bar. Tapping that takes you straight into Marketplace. Either route is fine. The important part is that you land on the Marketplace home. Once you're inside Marketplace, check that you're in the Marketplace view rather than your news feed. You should see sections like Browse, Categories, and Selling. In the upper right, tap your Marketplace profile icon. Depending on your device, it might look like a person's silhouette or your profile photo. On your Marketplace profile page, tap Saved Items. This is the dedicated spot where Facebook keeps every Marketplace listing you've saved. Give the page a moment to populate. Thumbnails, prices, and locations may take a second to appear, especially on slower connections. Your saved listings will now be visible in one place. Tap any item to open the full details, review photos, see the current price, and check availability. If a listing is sold or the seller removed it, you may see it marked as unavailable or it might no longer appear. That simply means the item isn't active anymore. If your saved items page is empty, it just means you haven't saved any Marketplace listings from this account yet. Going forward, when you're browsing Marketplace, look for the Save button on any item you want to revisit. Saved listings sync with your account, so you'll find them here on any device where you're signed in. That's it. Open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, tap your Marketplace profile, and then Saved Items to view everything you've bookmarked. Thanks for watching and happy browsing on Marketplace.